Yeah, but I feel like... Just hold on.
Fuck are you doing?
Okay.
Nothing, just hold the fuck on.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Alright,
Merry Christmas, Nate.
Merry Christmas, Nate.
Oh, fuck!
Look, we're vlogging.
Let's do this, ladies and gentlemen. Hi,
Okay.
guys.
Alex, you think I could look like that guy?
If you do your hair,
What do you mean? My hair looks good.
it looks like trash.
Okay, comment down below if you like my hairstyle right
He's
now.
freaking ugly. He looks terrible.
No, it doesn't.
Just be honest with him. He can take it. He's got thick skin.
My hair's fine, okay?
Hey, Mike's currently peeing, and we're in the bathroom. We're not in the bathroom, but we're like outside the bathroom.
He's not peeing, he's drying
coming.
his
He's drying his
hands.
hands right now. But we want you to know that we love him, but we never tell him, and his hair looks terrible. Oh my god. Oh my god. A vlogger. I vlog
Bro,
too.
are you a vlogger?
I'm vlogging right now.
Oh my god, there's more than one
serious.
vlogger. Do you need some money for the holidays? It's okay. I got you.
That's Agassi. It's Agassi.
I got
He
you.
doesn't know the name of the store.
If J. Cole started a band, what would you call it?
Don't say it.
J. Crew.
Got my soft drink.
Got your soft drink? How you feel?
Fucking amazing. Okay, so guys, if you want to get the merchandise right here, guys.
Little baby pants merch?
Exactly.
Wait, you can't have merch unless you get a channel. What's happening? What are you saying?
I own your channel.
Damn it! You're making your own.
Relax, Nick.
I'm scared, bro.
I would be scared too, but just relax. I don't know what's going on.
Bro, chill out.
Ain't nothing happening.
Yeah, but I feel like... Just hold on.
Fuck are you
Everything's gonna be
doing?
okay.
Nothing, just hold the fuck on.
Everything's gonna be okay. Alright,
Merry
open your eyes.
Christmas, Nate.
Merry Christmas, Nate.
Oh, fuck!
Alright, so you'll be stuck with
Come
bundle
here.
again.
Bug for
Fucking
Christmas.
gift? Come here. They're actual handcuffs?
They're real handcuffs.
Hey, a date with me.
They're real?
Yeah, they're really real.
Where the fuck did you get these?
Hey, I'm not going anywhere.
Alright, can you guys unlock it?
Here's
we don't have
the
a key, right?
deal.
Oh, fuck, man, what are you doing?
Okay, can y'all give me the key?
Why are they so short?
Alright, so Merry Christmas, buddy.
Yeah, fuck you.
Alright.
Bro, just let me get the key.
I have work tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
He's going to work with you, apparently.
Hey,
Stop.
alright, there you go. Chop it off. Yep.
Can I have the fucking key?
There are no keys, dude.
Oh, yeah.
I told you the police handcuffs. You gotta go to a policeman and unlock them. Or a fireman. A fireman.
Firemen have handcuffs?
Mm-hmm. That actually brings my second gift. This is for you. If Bug ever gets tired, if he ever gets you tired, this is a bottle of the smelliest
Don't you
spray
fucking
you will
do
ever
that.
smell.
Do it now. Do it now. It's ass, dude. It smells like ass.
Michael, you take this shit away from me right fucking now.
Dude, spray him right now.
Don't fucking, do not fucking
If
spray
you
me.
spray me, get the key.
Don't fucking spray me.
Hey, chill out. Stop. Let the fuck go. I'll spray your ass.
Oh well, you're getting sprayed too.
Let go.
It's
What
you
are
fucking talking about. I want to smell it.
Yeah.
In your bean right here.
Okay, what's
Yeah.
this for?
I'd like to be unlocked now. Come on. Nate, fucking. Ow, god damn it, Nate. Ow! Ow! Hurry the fuck up! Oh, you're left-handed, right?
No! Oh, it smells.
You just ate shit. You need the fucking handcuffs so I can leave my home.
Hey, I gotta go outside, bro.
Oh my god, he actually sprayed it.
Hey guys, that's the end of the video. If you're new here, make sure you check out the rest of my channel. I have some really cool vids that you might want to check out. Also, please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more notifications. Thank you guys for watching and have a great one.